manje siya kwi-history ilapho buka khona ukuthi okay ama-trades akho kwenzakalani, wenza ama-profits wenza ama-losses. Na ikhalenda la phezulu ekhoneni uyayithinta okay ithi for today how much you made. Okay today as-trade ngakho kungaveli lutho. Last week yabo kuwe kwaba khona minus 3000 something thabo nga withdraw lokuzeni kusho ukuthi ngeke ngablow yabo ngaphinde futhi ngakwazi ukuwithdraw enye imali yami ama-profit. So injalo forex market you win you lose yabo. Ngokublue kanje which means i-win kusho ukuthi lokhu makubomvu kanje usell kubomvu kanje kusho ukuthi mina bengifaka usell. Kukhona ubuy no sell. Ubuy uba blue usell uba bomvu ngakujidanisi leyo nto. Yeah, those are the main things that okumele uzazi. Enye into elandelayo ke njengamanje mase understand the structure lesi sokuthi nje umethe trader 5 is not something that is complicated. Yonke into ibhaleliwe la. Into elandelayo ukuthi wena ke manje u-understand ke i-strategy mase sithi siyasakha sisebenzisa ziphi izinto. Imibuzo ayiqume mayikhona.